So if you're trying to buy tickets for the FIFA World Cup, it's very easy to do. This is how you can do it without being scammed. You do want to do it on the official sites, and here's how you can do it. So first, you need to go onto your internet browser and type in FIFA ticketing platform. And once you're here, you want to scroll down past the sponsored results if you have any, and basically go to the tickets option right here under the official FIFA.com website. Once you're here, you can actually see we have the option to view any last minute sales where people are still selling their tickets, the marketplace where they're actually able to be exchanged and resold right now, or you can do hospitality if you do want to stay at a hotel and also acquire tickets. This might be a good option. However, the prices do increase the longer you do wait, which is why I recommend the last minute ticket sales. Once you've successfully created an account, you simply want to click on buy tickets. You can see the different dates right here and basically go through this website, scroll through the matches, and even filter them by certain matches or certain stadiums that you might be near and matches that you want to see. This is by far the safest and securest way to obtain these tickets for the World Cup. Is you simply click on one of the matches once you've created an account on the official FIFA site, scroll down, you can see what is available and what the different levels of seats options are, and even filter by price just on this thing like so. Let's just say I want one of these yellow seats right here, which is very close to the field. You can simply scroll in, find these seats, wherever there's a yellow box, there's a ticket available, click on it, click on add to cart, and you can see right here, you simply pay, and the ticket will go to your email, and doing so, you can enter the game just like so. You can buy multiple tickets if you want. Click on buy now, add your information, and you're good to go.